don't see any leaks.
No, it'd be a shitty day.
Don't do concrete. We don't do concrete. We don't do concrete. And good morning. It is Friday. Got the guys down here working in Muscoda. We are doing a retaining wall and a new concrete driveway. This retaining wall is not something we've ever really done before. We're building a limestone retaining wall, but it's out of smaller blocks. So basically it's blocks, rocks you can lift with one or two guys. So not really something we've done a lot of, but I know they can handle it. So just pulling into the job here now, so let's go see what they got going on.
Watermelon's gross.
But D-Rock, I'm trying to quit, so. D-Rock, this is septic line.
Did you hit it?
No, I did not.
I don't see any leaks.
No, it'd be a shitty day.
Of this, what was supposed to be an easy wall, right, Mike?
Easy and walls never
go. So now these guys are becoming plumbers for the day. Just add it to the resume, Hunter. Plumber, derby car driver, playboy, handsome as all get out. Now we're working on a wall. Oh, Hunter's pissed. Hunter's pissed. Hunter's apparently in a mood. He's upset that the mini excavator was used to pull out that tree trunk instead of being here to make this wall. that does it for today's escapade. They got the wall built. Hunter has to go do stuff at the Grant County Fair, even though he's like 30. But wall's built, looks good, needs a little fill. Old Shawnee Sean here is going to take my Trailblazer and get everything fixed up on it. Yeah, I feel like whatever this is right here, it's a little too low to the ground.
Cut it off.
If you could just take it off, that'd be great, because I'm afraid it's just going to fall off. This brake light right here, that's been out for, I don't know, 6-7 months. See you, man. Thank you. I don't know anything about cars.
Hey, D-Rock.
Is this yours or Hunter's?
Mine. Proud owner.
Look at that little baby tire. This is the little guy. Is that the muffler that was hanging off the back of my vehicle?
Yeah. Put it back in use. I'm just working on John's sprayer trailer here, trying to get it back up and going.
It looks sideways.
Yeah. Getting a DOT spec here.
What are we doing here, Tech?
Pulling the proud.
Why?
I got the boots, D-Rock.
Heck, I want to
What are we trying to do here?
Pull it out. Pull the front out because it's all smashed in.
What place are you going to get in your derby?
I'm not in it for the place, D-Rock. I just want to flip Hunter.
Shawnee boy brought her back. She's all fixed up.
Yeah, your muffler bearing was definitely loose. Blinker fluid's all good.
Okay.
Your dipstick, though, is a little broken.
I don't feel like any of those are real things inside of a vehicle. I wouldn't know. Thanks for fixing it up, man.
Yeah.
Doing some last second adjustments there, Hunter, or what?
Yeah, this fucking thing's junk.
If the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy.
Ramparts we watched, we're so gallantly streamed.
It is Derek McBee. His car sponsor is marked by Brian Butterfly and Pete.
How we feeling, Hunter?
Oh, yeah.
How we doing?
Fuck, D-Rock.
We gonna whoop some ass?
Oh, yeah.
Tech, how you feeling, baby?
Good.
How we gonna play the game?
We're going to play the game.
Take Hunter out?
Oh, you know it.
Here we go, one more time. Our officials are ready, safety crews are ready. We're gonna do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Go!
happened, Tech?
Radiator hose blew, D-Rock. Right in my face, and then it lit on fire. It blew the radiator hose. They're like, well, you want to keep going? I'm like, yeah. And then they're like, well, it's on fire now, too. So, you ain't.
Woo! You suck! Who beat you now, Tech?
My stick's still
Yeah!
My stick's
Loser!
Watch that wire, Bob.
I can't.
Big old mug. He's good.
Switching cowboy boots for rubbers, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Bob, we might have to fucking send you in there.
Put another shoot on.
Too happy.
Let it roll.
Camera inception.
We don't do concrete.
What's your professional assessment so far?
Okay.
Going okay?
Derek, carry all those rocks there down to that pile.
All those?
Yeah, each one. We need a top to it. Need something more to trip over.
Do you love concrete, Al, or do you really love concrete?
It's okay.
Holly, are you the washer of boots today?
Washer of everything.
How'd that go, Mike?
Like concrete. Put your feet on each roller. Where's Downing at today? I'm not sure.
Well, how'd it go, Bob?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Yeah?
At least it's not 100 degrees.
It was nice. No breeze. What are you doing there, Hunter?
Cleaning out the boards. Jesus. Right.
On a 5-star scale, Al, how'd that go?
2.7.
2.7?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's worse than ours.
There's water here. 3.1.
There's water. Yeah, it's free water. Okay, 3.1. Man, you're good at flow boating.
D-Rock, did you get that?
Nope.
I think you gotta re-edge that one spot.
Think he's fucking hilarious. I think we could kick his fucking ass.
Whatever you do, don't knock out my teeth. I have them all.
Well, we're going to. That's the first fucking thing we're gonna do.
Yep.
Right here. Come on. Come on. Stand. Good. Good. Fine. Come on here. Good. Here. Good. Here. Back there. Check that. Here. Square. Good. Run out a little bit. You got it. Let it roll. Run over. Good. Good. Come on here. Good. 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 Yeah. Run back. Good. Good. Got it. Drop. There you go. Good. Got it. Good. 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 That's good. 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 Take your time.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to join all the other subscribers. I think there's like 24 of them. Make sure to hit that little subscribe button so we can keep making you guys some dumbass videos. Catch you on the next one.